Hi, I'm Corey Simone, an animator. I'm here to tell you how you can make text have light blurs in After Effects. I'm actually going to show you two different ways to do this and having two different effects. The first step for both of them is to create your text. The next thing you do for the first way is to apply the effect that's under text called Office Light. So you can double click on that and it'll apply to the text. And that's going to have your lights blinking, your text letters blinking alternatively. And so you can mess with the frequency that they blink on and off. You also want to change the quantity in your slider box so that you can control the way that that light blur, how an office light might flicker, moves through your text. The second way to create a light blur on your text is that after you created your text, you can apply the effect that's called blur by word. And once you do that, what it's going to do is create a blurring effect so that your text actually blurs onto the screen and then becomes more clear. And it works so that it moves from the left to the right on your text, making it blur into clarity. And so the way that you can adjust how your text comes onto the screen and how bright it gets once it's there is that you want to set some keyframes in the offset area. And so you can tell it how fast you want it to move from one word to the next and to blur onto the screen. And then to adjust how clear you want it to be once it gets there is you're going to adjust the end tool. And in this case, I wanted it to be 100% clear and not blurred at all by the end of the blurring effect. So those are two ways that you can create a blurred effect with your text in After Effects.